Now let's go through joining a Zoom meeting. So you'll have a link, you'll click on it, it'll ask you every single time if you want to open Zoom. Just say yes. You'll have your video preview, make sure you are presentable, that's always nice. Join with video. If the person has not started the meeting yet, you'll sit here for however long. It'll connect when the other person is ready, and since you already have your audio set up, you'll just join with computer audio. If you X out of this, don't do that. I have myself on automatically muted, but it will start yelling at you like this if you're talking while you're muted. So make sure that you're unmuted when you're talking and muted when other people are talking, just because there's background noise. Another function is the chat. You can have this be a pop-out window, and you can also communicate privately with other people in the Zoom meeting. But obviously this would go to everyone if there were more people in this meeting. Speaker view is when you just want to concentrate on the speaker. Gallery view, you see everyone. You also have reactions, so you can applaud and give a thumbs up without disrupting anything, especially in larger meetings. Another thing I wanted to point out was, again, this original sound option, which you should have enabled to pop up. You're gonna want to click this whenever you are playing the guitar, because your settings for your voice are terrible for guitar. So just keep that in mind, and it will reset every single time you join a new Zoom meeting or go into a breakout room or anything. So just double check that if you're playing.